What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I thought I'd do a quick video to show you guys the one tool that you need to help you install soft close drawer slides on your kitchen cabinets. Take your drawers from this to this. Keep watching. So if you guys have watched my last video, which I'll link to, I think it'll be up here, you'll know that I've had my kitchen pretty much completely torn apart in order to paint my kitchen cabinets. So I figured, well, since I got it this far torn apart, I might as well tear it apart some more and replace all of my builder grade drawer slides with soft close drawer slides. And there's one tool that I found that you absolutely got to get if you want to make this job super simple. I mean, without it would have been impossible, or it would have been a big nightmare trying to hold the drawer slides level, get them spaced, measured the correct distance from the sides and everything, because I have face framed cabinets. The drawer slides don't sit right against the side. They actually stand off. So trying to get them lined up would have been a pain without this tool. There's no affiliation here. I bought the tool outright. I haven't reached out to them. They haven't reached out to me. It's just something that I found that I feel that I should share with you guys. And that tool are these Kreg drawer slide tools. I forget exactly what they're called. I'll link to them down below. Basically what they do is they got this little thick piece here that comes out, and this sits on the face frame, and then this piece slides out. There's one for each side that actually kind of keeps it lined up with the side of the cabinet, since it's offset inside. The directions are real easy, but let me show you just how easily this tool makes this job. How easy this tool makes this job. When it comes to using these Kreg drawer slide jigs, you can see that there is an A side and a B side. Each one corresponds to which side of the drawer opening they mount to. So in order to use these, we'll start with the B side here. You can see that there are these tabs. There's this one here on top, it slides out, and this one here on the front that slides out sideways. And what it does is this tab here rests on the face frame. And then this piece here actually sits up against the side of the cabinet on the inside and helps keep it square. So on a cabinet like this one, where on the right side I have a side, the side of the cabinet is actually there, this makes it real easy. This just butts right up against that. This sits on top of the face frame, and then you clamp it in place, and it sets the drawer slide level to the cabinet. On the other side, where there isn't a side because the cabinet continues over, there's no sidewall for this piece to rest up against. You just kind of have to eyeball it a little bit. It'll still sit level. You just got to make sure you don't can it a little bit. So let me get these in place, and you'll see what it looks like once they're actually ready to be used. So placing the Kreg drawer slide jig in place, you just again pop this tab out, pop this one out. That rests right on top, and then that slides over, and then you'll clamp that in place. Now, one thing you want to make sure, obviously like anything, when you're clamping stuff in place, make sure you're putting something between your clamp and your finished surface so you don't mar the finished surface there of your cabinet or whatever you're clamping to. Make an adjustment here, and that just clamps right in place. Now, like I said, what that does is that sets the drawer slide jig level with the cabinet. So that way when you put your drawer slide in, it's all going to be in the same plane or the same level. Then all you do is take your new drawer slide, set it in place. So once you get your front mounting hole drilled in place, then you can comes the hardest part of this, and that's setting your distance for the back of the drawer slide. Make sure it's the same distance from this point to the side along the back. And that just makes sure everything is parallel also. On this side, where you don't have a sidewall to measure off of, I just find a fixed point, either one of the drawers or the other drawer slide. I measure off that and I get the same distance from that to this one along the back. And then you can mount the back bracket setting your drawer slide parallel, and that gets everything in line. So again, once you get that front mounting hole done, that front mounting screw in place, then this thing will still want to slide side to side a little bit. So again, you'll have to measure from this point to the face to get your distance, and set that distance in the back. Once that's done, then you know that this face, again, is level to the cabinet, and then it's the same distance from this wall to back there, keeping your drawer slide in the correct orientation so that you don't get any kind of binding when you put the drawer in place. And then you do the same thing to this side, and then you mount the piece of the drawer slide that mounts to the drawer. Once all that's done, it'll come right in and reassemble, and I will show you that when I get it done. So once you get the drawer slide mounted to the cabinet and the drawer itself, everything should just close nice and soft. And that's it. So thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell. I'll see y'all later.